everybody, it's Mara Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Wednesday. I haven't done a video on raising our vibration in a while, and I know I've done one a long time ago on casting 16 stones and then sitting in that space that would raise your energy so you could meditate in there, you could read. But I've always been drawn to the circle energy, and I really haven't played with it enough. I mean, I knew a circle with a number of stones or shells around it raised a vibration, but what about the image just of a circle? And it was through pulling cards in that deck I used on Monday, the Witch's deck, and it said casting a circle. So then I even looked into how witches would cast a circle. So I'm going to go through that as well, but I just want to experiment with you. So let's see, where's my biogeometry pendulum? So this is my pendulum. I'm going to step out of where I am, go over here to the camera. 3 fingers, okay. I'm going to get my personal energetic vibration. So this is my energy right now. Now, I happen to be standing on a circular rug, and I'm going to step inside the middle of the circle, and I'm going to test that raises my vibration just by doing that. Sure enough, look at how much stronger my vibration is just in stepping inside a circle, which you can make with scarves, stones, anything. It does not have to be crystals or whatever. It can be whatever you can make. You can make a very large circle. Your children could play in a circle. You could read in a circle. You could put a chair in a circle just to meditate or to raise your vibration. I've always been attracted to circles. Now I know why. Now, I want to see if casting a circle, which was what witches do, would raise it even higher. So I read on how to do that. And you walk 3 times in a clockwise direction. And then you call in the 4 directions, elements, which I love, which is the energy of the north, the energy of the south, call in the energy of the east, call in the energy of the west. And I open my circle. Step back into the center of my circle, and I check my energetic vibration. Off the charts strong. Just by opening that circle with the invitation of the energy of the north, the south, the east, and the west. To close the circle, walk in the opposite direction 3 times. And reverse the order that you called in the elements. So, west, east, south, and north. I close the circle. Stepping back into the circle. It's still stronger than it is without the circle, but not as strong as when I called in the elements. And if I step completely outside of the circle, it slows down even more. So, what we find out is when we work inside a circle, so this is a circular rug, which would be great to stick my chair right in the middle if I wanted to read or meditate or do anything. But I love it for children to have your playground, like those little gates that you can make in a circle and have your children play in a circular playpen. I eat on a circular table, and that's very good feng shui as well. So circles are important, and that is a huge thing in raising our vibration of energy. Have a great day.